वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो क्लास 6 का कर्नाटक स्टेट बोर्ड 5th लेसन साइंस का सेपरेशन ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस, इसकी इस वीडियो में एक्सरसाइज देखेंगे। तो फर्स्ट है, व्हाई डू वी नीड टू सेपरेट डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ अ मिक्सचर एंड गिव 2 एग्जाम्पल। पर्पस फॉर विच वी डू द सेपरेशन। फर्स्ट है, to separate two different but useful component, to remove non-useful component, to remove impurities. For example, separation of stone from rices. Second, separation of tea leaves from tea. Next question, what is winnowing and what is its use? The separation of heavier and lighter component of a mixture by wind is called winnowing. It is used by farmer in the field. Question, how will you separate husk or dirt particle from a given sample of pulses before cooking? By winnowing method. What is sieving and where is it used? The method of separation is used when the component of a mixture have different sizes is called sieving. It is used at construction sites to separate pebbles and stone from the sand. How will you separate sand water from their mixture? By sedimentation and decantation method. Next, question 6. It is possible to separate sugar mixed with wheat flour. If yes, how will you do it? Answer, yes. It can be separated by swing. Question 7. How would you obtain clear water from a sample of muddy water? इसका आंसर है, we obtain pure water by filtration method. Next, filling the blanks. First, the method of separating seed of paddy from its stalks is called threshing. When milk cooled after boiling is poured into a piece of cloth, the cream is left behind on it. This process of separating carom from milk is an example of filtration. Salt is obtained from the sea water by the process of evaporation. Fourth point, impurities settled at the bottom when muddy water was kept overnight in a bucket. The clear water was poured off from the top. The process of separation used in this example is called decantation. True or false? A mixture of milk and water can be separated by filtration. False. A mixture of powdered salt and sugar can be separated by the process of winnowing. False. Separation of sugar from tea can be done with filtration. False. Grain and husk can be separated with the process of decantation. False. Lemonade is prepared by the mixing lemon juice and sugar in water. You wish to add ice to cool it. Should you add ice to the lemonade before or after dissolving sugar? In which would it be possible to dissolve more sugar? Answer, we add ice to lemonade after dissolving sugar. Next point, before adding ice, more sugar is dissolved in lemonade. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय।